Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to arrange your data alphabetically. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your spreadsheet on Google Sheets and follow these steps. The first method to arrange your data alphabetically is to select the column by whom you are going to arrange your data and select the range of data, and then all we have to do is click on format here in this ribbon. After we click on data, we will go to sort range, and as you can see, we can arrange it alphabetically from A to Z. That means in ascending order, or from to Z to A in a descending order. So let's have it like that. As you can see, this is the first item to the sixth item, and if I do it descendingly, it will be the opposite. There is another way to sort or to arrange your data alphabetically, is by using a function. We will initiate our function by typing the equal sign or operator, and then we will type the name of our function, which is sort. Now I will choose the range of selection and write or separate with a comma, and then I will uh, insert the index of the selected, or the index of the column that I want to sort by. Well, I want to have an arranging, or to sort by the name or the items, so I will type 1 because it is the first one in my selection. Then I will just type true or false, depends on if you need an ascending order or a descending order. So true will be ascending order, because we will click true. Now, and don't forget the double quote marks, so you can don't have an error. So as you can see, I'm having an ascending sorting here. Let's do it another time, but let's just go for sort and choose the range, comma, then I will just type false, so it will be a descending order, and double quote, and like that. So as you can see, it has arranged my data descendingly and alphabetically. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.